In case if you have a Google My Business Red GMB or a Google Business listing profile, or your business is listed on Google Maps and you want to optimize it, or you must be, you must be considering on ways on how you can improve your listings, you can increase your reach, and get the word out, get more customers, get more people looking after you naturally, organic. I'm right now talking about organic. I also have a separate video regarding Google local search ads, but right now, in case if you want to do it organically, so in this video I will explain about 8 key points of a successful Google My Business profile listings. And these are brought to you by hybertex.com, and credit should be given where due. Also, I know major points, but I like to give the credit where due. So let's get started on 8 key elements of a successful Google My Business listing profile. So yeah, let's get started with me on this. For instance, this is my Google My Business listing, one of the listings I manage. You can see manage your business profile over here. You can see we got 9 reviews over here, and you can see your business got 7,758 views over here. So yeah, as I told you, Hypertex has got brilliant ideas which I like to share with you. So I have just here 8 key elements of a successful Google business profile. And first thing first is accurate and relevant information: name, address, phone, and website. That should be clearly visible on your Google Map listings. Name, address, phone. You can see the over here. You can see name, opening times, phone number, address. Okay, everything is mentioned over here. So that is the first thing, very important. And second thing, where which this location even lacks, and that is very important for a general listings over, like over here you can see, and that is a good logo. So the second thing, in case if you look out on their Facebook page, they have a very good hospital logo, but here they lacks the logo. So the second thing is to have an attractive logo for your location. So you are missing out this on the cover photo and logo. And third is prime right category. You can optimize your category by going to Google My Business profile. I cannot see all the profiles I manage. Why? Because it's because due to the client privacy. But you can see over here hospital in Lahore. So that is very important. That is a very important part, that the category should be rightly selected for your niche. Fourth is accurate business hours and additional hours. In case if you're working on additional hours, let's say on holidays, what are your working hours? That should be also needs to be clearly mentioned. What are your working timings? These are the concerns which needs to be properly managed and should be clearly visible on your website, so that people can easily see when they can opt, or when they can buy your service. Even in case if you manage a location, specific location, you can easily modify those and add your own personal preference based timings over here. So you can see that hospital got all of kind of reviews. So like these are the hours, your hours should be clearly mentioned over here. After this, regularly updating photos and posts. Okay, actually we are not really good at over here, but we need to be very good with it, because when you add on new photos, when you add on new statuses, your followers stay updated with latest deals opening. But now, since it's a charitable hospital, so they do not have much deals over here. But we can post something like free vaccination, free Rona vaccination, or something like that. So people can keep on seeing our posts and photos. So that is another important part of our 8 key elements. And the next is to reply to all customers. Now that is very important, because a new visitor just see how active you are on replying. In case if you see like the questions are being asked and no one is replying, it's like they stop focusing on them and they lose interest. For instance, you can see 6 question answers. One is, yes, doctors are good and hospital is nice, I personally visited many times, fee is very low. Okay, what are the days of vaccination for kids? Daily 9 a.m. till 1 p.m. Monday to Saturday. What is the time for ultrasound? 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, so like questions like these needs to be answered properly. Like this question, like is liver specialist doctors available in hospital? Okay, now this is needs to be answered. Now that is a lack over here. So that is also a cause of concern which needs to be addressed. And then updated products and services. Updated production services, like what services you are offering, it needs to be mentioned over here so that people have a clear idea. Versus this is another location as well, they also lacks these things. And that is that the service is as a tab where people can see what kind of facilities are being available on a specific location. So for instance, there is a famous saloon in Lahore, and that is NS Gents. For instance, let me see what Gents. I mean, when we click on them, so okay, you can see everyone has so working well on their location, that it is very important to have your location updated with all of these questions and concerns. And our next is get more positive reviews. Now I know that the positive reviews is important for everyone, not for me, not for you, but for every businesses. It also helps you in ranking. You can see that 614 positive reviews. It is a lot of kind of reviews. And reviews like these gives more importance. And people feel more trustable. People get like people feel more trusted. Authentication is improved when you have more reviews, and your ranking also get improved when you work on your reviews. So yeah, these were the 8 key points by Habetics, which they believe that should be a core part of your Google My Business SEO, marketing, reach strategy. I mean, for every business, even if you are not doing SEO, these are some general points, but which are very good and should be acted, and should be applied for your business. And I hope you like this video. If you have a good point which you want to add in this video, like you have an interesting point which you want to add regarding Google My Business profile listing, or if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Thank you and bye bye.